So now you may be asking, what do I include on a floor plan sketch? Well, all you need to really include on the sketch is the layout of the property, the basic features like the windows, the doors, the kitchen utilities and bathroom utilities, all of the measurements, and anything that you feel is actually a real selling point of the property. It's very important to include the measurements on the sketch because then that way you know the size of the property. You know if it's a single bedroom or a double bedroom. You know if it's a larger lounge or an extended reception room. This is really important to include because then when the buyer looks at the floor plan, they can actually see whether they're going to use that as a kid's room or it's going to be their master bedroom. It's also important to include the windows and doors in the sketch so that way on the floor plan the buyer can see exactly how you access each room and whether the window is north or south facing.